This 2026 Forest River Salem Villa Grand 42 Ice is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Medford, Oregon, 97504 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV Medford. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 45 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 10 and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Forest River Salem Villa Grand 42 Ice is 13,749 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.